I was not there on the day of 9/11. I was here seeing patients like I always do, and all 5'0" of me. What could I do around the 9/11 events? I'm not a firefighter, and I'm not a police officer, and I'm not a trauma surgeon. In retrospect, the trauma surgeons didn't really have all that much to do, because either people got out or they didn't get out, and it turned out that the long-term health consequences were what I became involved with.
So we were there I was there personally about 20 days. When they announced to us that the air was safe at ground zero and we would be okay, and I turned to them and said, my father worked construction on here. They only encapsulated the asbestos that's in this building. They never took it out. So this air is not safe no matter what somebody says. I was a very athletic person. So to start having all these problems where, I couldn't breathe, I was having trouble breathing, I was gaining asthma, I was having all of this, that's when I came to know Dr. Udasin from there. Then we had the colonoscopy when they found out that I had really bad cancer. It was already through the wall, and she saved my life. She saved my life. Dr. Udasin and the team that she put together here at the Rutgers place, they saved my life.
Frank is a firefighter. He puts himself in harm's way to save all of us from the consequences of fires. My police officers put themselves between a bullet and me. I'm honored that I'm able to take care of all the people who put themselves in harm's way in order to protect us.
The flyer calls us heroes, which I find nice, but it's for us to get together and remembrance. It's been 20 years. So for me, it's almost like a little reunion type thing for some people, from some part of it, and the other part of it, I think, is just the opportunity to hopefully put a little bit behind and go forward. That's my mentality on that.
I have a lot of residual problems because of the chemo and the radiation and all of that I went through. Bad neuropathy, bad problems, but the alternative, I'd rather live with the pain than not be here. What are your choices? Michael Esposito, he had unfortunately passed on 9/11. Nicholas Amundo, I can keep going on and on. Sully survived at 9/11, unfortunately passed of cancer afterwards. So a lot of people.
I'm grateful that the program is here, because when I was diagnosed with something very, very serious, Dr. Udasin took care of me 100%, and like immediately, and it was, I have no words to describe how grateful I am.